Good afternoon and thanks for tuning in. It's great to have your company here on Calcine TV. I'm Holly and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Now, a fresh wave of international students has been welcomed to Australia, enhancing the recovery prospects for the country's education sector. So in light of this, let's have a look at 3 ASX listed EdTech stocks that are in focus. The first of which is G8 Education, which is the largest private provider of quality early childhood education and care in Australia, offering innovative and evidence-based early learning teaching methods. In mid-December last year, the company reported operating EBIT of $76 million and operating net profit after tax of $43 million, ahead of consensus estimates. And G8 indicated that the revenue was impacted by parent gap fee waivers and seasonal uplift trends not occurring for COVID-affected Australian states. Meanwhile, the government continues to support the sector through gap fee waivers and has proven its willingness to support the sector with various packages, contributing $21 million in the calendar year 2021. G8 has proposed a calendar year 22 fee increase, which will balance the necessary increase in the cost base with the necessity of managing parent affordability. G8 Education stock is currently trading at around $1.19 a share. Next, IDP Education is the co-owner of International English Language Testing System and the world leader in international student placement. For the 6 months to the 31st of December, the company reported total revenue of $397 million, an increase of 47% compared to the previous corresponding period. Meanwhile, EBIT as well stood at $77.9 million, an uptick of 61% over the PCP. IELTS volumes as well edged up 79%, with growth recorded across most countries where IDP administers the tests. IDP has reported growing demand for Northern Hemisphere countries, which drove a 63% increase in multi-destination student placement volumes. On the other hand, its Australian student placement volumes remained subdued. There has been early signs of a rebound in interest, which has coincided with the extension of post-study work rights and the relaxation of border restrictions. IDP stock is currently trading at $27.16 a share. And the last one to have a look at is Janison, which is an education tech pioneer dedicated to innovating online assessments and learning solutions for education bodies, global corporations and governments. During the first half of 2022 ending December 31, Janison reported a 23% growth in total group revenue and a 12 percentage point increase in gross margin. During the period as well, Janison successfully acquired 2 highly regarded assessment content businesses, that is QATs and AAS, in line with its school M&A strategy. Moreover, the ICAS assessment business unit has been renamed Educational Assessments to encompass the 2 acquisitions and its expansive portfolio of school assessment products and services. And at the moment, Janison stock is trading at $1.08 a share. Well, that is a wrap for the Buzzing Trends. Tune in next time early on Calcine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.